Hey there, friends. Hey, Lolix. It's been so long.
I just got back from the premiere.
Wow. Oh, something's moving in here.
Open it quick.
Hey, guys, let's get out of here. Yay, faster.
Hey, where did everyone run off to?
Wait, maybe there's something else inside.
Wow, secret packs. I love surprises.
Which one should we start with? This one?
No.
Then open this one.
How exciting.
Let's remove the wrapping. Opening the mystery card. Who will we get? Wow, it's a tablet in a frog case.
Wow, so cute. Let's head to the workshop. Whoa, there's so much stuff here. What should we make the tablet from? Oh, my notebook. It's full of awesome ideas. Let's see. Ooh, what a cool coloring page.
Totally agree. It looks super cool.
Right? If you want a notebook just like this, check the link in the description.
So, shall we start coloring?
LaLiLu, can I try?
Of course.
Like this. Let's use red over here.
Filling the page with all the colors of the rainbow.
There. Does it look good?
Of course, bestie. Now we need scissors. I'm cutting out a piece to fit the screen. Careful, Lali.
Watch out! Oops!
We'll use this for the frame. Rolling out some sparkly foam. Placing the rainbow background in the center. Now we need to draw a frog. Easy peasy. All right, I won't need this. Adding another layer for dimension.
Guess what this is?
It looks like eyes, right?
Yeah.
I'll glue them here. Adding black pupils.
And a smile. Ta-da! Wow, it's so cute!
Oh, the tablet came to life.
Wait, where are you going? Phew, gotcha! Ooh, I know. You want some sparkle?
That's easy. Taking rhinestone stickers and decorating the frame.
You're gonna be so pretty. Okay, decorations are done. But what should we use for the screen? Oh, the bag we threw away.
I'll fill it with acrylic paint.
Yay! And let's add glitter. There's no such thing as too much sparkle.
Mixing it well. Now we seal it. Placing it into the frame.
Yippee!
Wait till you see this. Wow, what a tablet!
I'll open the next box in the meantime.
Wow!
Amazing.
Hey, Lali!
I'm busy.
All right, I'll handle it. What's inside? And
Hey, are you opening it without me? Don't do that again.
take off the wrapping. Let's peek inside. Who did we get this time? It's Jessie! Finally, my turn.
Who is it? Oh, it's Jessie! LaLiLu, she's heavy. Help me. I can't hold her anymore.
Oop. Let's stand her up. Awesome. She looks just like in the movie.
Really? Wait, something's missing. Lali idea. Be right back. Jessie needs a cowboy outfit.
Let's pick some fabric.
No. I'll do it myself. Okay. Hold on. This one and this one.
Excellent.
Great. Let's start with the jeans. Laying out the fabric. Now the pattern. Cutting 4 pieces. Time to sew.
Leave it to me, bestie. Like this. Gotta be neat here. Done, LaLiLu. Let's try it on Jessie. Perfect fit.
Yay!
Adding belt loops. And now's the perfect time to make a belt. Cutting a strip of brown foam. Threading it through. A round buckle. Nice, bottom's done. Hey, Lali, what are you doing?
I made the pattern.
Yippee!
Great, tracing it onto the fabric. Aha! And now, we've got a shirt piece. Sewing the sides. Shirt, done. Jessie needs her signature vest. I'll make it from foam. Cutting out the shape. Adding glue and attaching it to the front.
Good.
Now painting orange details with a thin brush.
I made matching cuffs. Looks super stylish.
Adding a white collar and a brooch. The outfit looks amazing.
Still feels like something's missing.
Ooh. Of course, chaps over the jeans.
Just plain white?
Nope, I'll paint a cow print. Moo!
Jessie also needs a hat. I'll grab it. Lali, careful! Ah!
Gotcha!
Wish you'd catch me like that more often.
The hat needs a little decoration, stitching the edge with white thread. Let's speed this up a bit, or we'll be here till tomorrow.
How much longer?
Done! Final touch, cowboy boots. Jessie's look is complete. Cowboy hat, awesome outfit, just like in the movie.
So cool! LaLiLu, high five!
Now we just need to bring her to life.
Lali love!
Hey, I'm so happy to see you. Have you seen my horse?
A horse?
What?
LaLiLu?
That's no problem. Let's look for it here. Wow, what's in there? Our mystery cards. Let's check this one. All right, did we guess right? Taking out the card. Yes, it's Bullseye. Great, let's get to work. We'll need some foam. Cutting a piece and shaping it with a knife. Taking part of a foam ring. Joining the pieces together.
LaLiLu, I'm bringing light clay!
Careful, it's heavy. Breaking off a piece and rolling it out. Covering the horse's back and neck. Okay, now the head. Let's work on the face. I'll need cream-colored clay. Using a tool to shape the mouth and nostrils. Attaching it to the front. Big round eyes. Drawing pupils with a marker. Almost forgot the ears. Such a cute horse, but no legs yet.
Let's make them from wire.
Perfect. Cutting a piece and covering it with light clay. Shaping hooves at the bottom. Much better. Adding a mane and tail. Lightly shading with paint. Now for the saddle. Cutting a strip of sparkly foam. Folding it in half and cutting a semicircle. Decorating the strap. Attaching it with a drop of glue. Now the stirrups. All right, let's put it on the horse. The saddle needs trim. Decorating it with chenille wire. Just need to secure it well.
No, wait!
What?
We need an orange button, sweetie. Here, that's way more convenient. Lali love!
Now Bullseye can run like the wind.
What a cutie! Wanna go to your owner? Let's ride! Oops, how do I climb on?
Let me give you a boost.
Thank you.
Have a great ride.
Forward! Forward!
Lali rode off, so what should I do now? Oh, you're already back?
I came to remind you about the surprises.
Oh, right, thanks.
Let's go, Bullseye!
All right, what do we have here? Let's unwrap it. Who else could it be from the movie? Mr. Potato Head? Buzz? Wow, it's Woody! Hey, howdy, hey.
Ta-da!
LaLiLu, I found a bunch of broken dolls. Ooh, well, that's perfect for a makeover. Let's look for something suitable. Hey there, buddy.
Wow.
He doesn't really look like Woody.
That's not a problem. Let's start with the hair. Using pliers, I'm removing the leftover strands.
Does that hurt?
Nope, he's a doll.
Really? Well then, time for a new hairstyle. Here you go. It's gonna be awesome. LaLiLu, check it out.
Oh, how do I put this? I think we should redo it a little. Here, this hairstyle is better.
3 out of 10.
Oh, yeah, okay.
All right, how about this?
That's a bit better.
Okay, got it. Ta-da! I think it looks amazing.
Wow, 10 out of 10.
Great.
Woody actually has brown eyes, not blue. Let's repaint them real quick. Like this. Done.
What a handsome guy. Let's pick a shirt color. Blue or yellow? I know, yellow will be better. Drawing the outline on the fabric.
Oh, no.
Oops, needs fixing.
Gotta think of something. It's fine. I've got an idea to fix it. Draw stripes with a ruler.
Okay. Wow, that looks great.
Yay!
Now we need to sew. Oops! Ah! Oh, the shirt's in place. Hold on, don't fall. Up, got it. I brought buttons. One sec. Isn't it cute? All right, where's my closet? Time to dig around.
Woo!
This cowboy needs pants. Not these. Not these. Oh, here, take these. You can change, I won't look.
Yippee!
Why is he taking so long? Right, he's a doll.
Don't panic, I've got this. Putting on the vest. Blue jeans. Looks awesome. Oops, Lali, the pants are too wide.
I'll fix them.
Threading the needle, carefully stitching the sides together.
Yeah, and if you're under 13, ask an adult for help.
Hop, now the jeans fit perfectly. Final touch, a cowboy hat. And a neckerchief.
Time to bring him to life. Hop.
Yippee!
I wonder what his first words will be.
Where are my boots? It's kinda hard to catch bad guys barefoot.
Oops.
Lali, I've got the boots.
Oh, thanks.
Putting the boots on Woody, and our cowboy is fully ready. Yee-haw!
That turned out awesome. I wonder what's next.
Let's peek into our box. 2 last surprises left.
I want to open this one. Or this. No, this one.
Okay, let's unwrap it. And here we have
Who is it? Who is it?
Forky.
Hey, hello everyone. We need a snack before crafting.
Yummy.
What's wrong? Well, spoons are inconvenient. There's only one solution.
Lali, can I take your utensils? You don't need them right now.
Take them.
Oh, and this chenille wire will come in handy too. Wrapping it around the spoon. Got arms. Now we need a face. Oh, here's some light clay. Rolling little eyes, brows, and a smile. Done. Attaching it to the base.
So handsome.
A bit of pink pastel. Adding blush to the cheeks.
Oh, LaLiLu, we forgot the legs. How am I supposed to walk? Oopsie. Chewing gum. Hold on, I've got an idea.
That's exactly what we need. Sticking it to the bottom. Attaching wooden sticks.
Hey, Forky, come over here. Hop, hop. Where's my wife? I'm changing. LaLiLu.
Let's make you a dress. Cutting a small piece from paper. Try it on.
Super.
Let me decorate it too.
Sweetie, I'm ready.
Karen, you look amazing.
You too, Forky. Aw, they're so cute.
Finally, all our characters are here. They look amazing. Frog tablet, Woody,
Yippee!
Forky,
Hi!
Karen Beverly,
I'm here!
Jessie,
Hello!
and Bullseye. Such incredible doll looks inspired by Toy Story characters.
Write in the comments who you liked the most.
High five, Lali. Bye-bye. See you next time.